Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
For this, get a mixing bowl, put in 1 large egg, add a cup of milk, cup of self-raising flour, just a pinch of sea salt, some sugar, about half a cup, about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we want to mix this together so we get a really nice batter. Then get about half a cup or so of blueberries, just mix it through. Now just get a frying pan. I like to use a fairly small one for this. You can use a large frying pan, doesn't really matter. Just heat it up for a couple of minutes and then add some oil or butter to it, and then we'll put some of the mixture in.
Simple